Guys, welcome back. We're here with Airplane Jane, Market Logic. People have been wanting more information in the way that they're getting it from Airplane Jane. It's refreshing, it's exciting, it's to the point. It's spring break.
That's right, spring break.
People are traveling. Airplane Jane, tell us about the airline sector because people are flying.
Well, the airline sector overall today is in an upward trend. Actually, on Monday, there was some negative news for the whole sector. There was a family that was traveling with a dog on United Airlines, and unfortunately, that dog died while it was traveling.
Yeah.
And so, therefore, the whole sector tanked a little bit. Overall.
Oh, because of a dog.
All because of a dog. But negative news will do that. Like we were talking about before, sell the news, which will also come up later.
Sure.
And so, what happened was Senator Kennedy has now written a letter saying he wants to change the laws about how dogs are treated, or animals in general are treated while they're traveling. And overall, the stocks today are soaring.
Amazing.
Now, typically you will see an inverse relationship between oil and the airlines. However, today both are up. But I would watch for that if you're investing or if you're day trading airlines. Watch the oil prices as well, because that will create an inverse relationship for airlines.
Let's get into my diet. Not my personal diet, but diets in general. There's all kinds of diets out there. We've talked about the wheat belly diet. We see it in the news. Tell us about a specific stock that's really getting to the heart of this diet, RKDA. What can you tell us about that?
Well, definitely. RKDA is a bioscience technology company, and what they've done is they've gone in and they've created a new strain of wheat, and it's opposed to the genetically modified, which has basically caused people to have problems and wheat intolerances, which has created bloating and a lot of problems gaining weight. So what happened was this stock announced that they have a great new product, and as a result, it went from $4 2 weeks ago to $66 on Wednesday. And this is just an amazing stock, actually $66 yesterday. And it's amazing stock, and stocks like this can be life-changing for people if you get in at $4 and you get out at 66. Say you had 1,000 shares at 4,000.
I would have liked to have it. I didn't have 1,000 shares.
Now you're up $62,000 in 2 weeks. You know, that's amazing.
Market Logic, we love to talk about Trump, because he blocked a very important merger that was about to happen in the telecom microchip sector. We know that Qualcomm was to be acquired by a foreign company. Executive order was passed to block that merger. Tell us about the Qualcomm debacle.
Definitely. Well, Broadcom from Singapore was going to acquire Qualcomm, and Trump said, no, this isn't going to happen. I think that Qualcomm is going to be purchased, and then it's going to turn into a national security threat for the U.S., and they're going to infiltrate our technology system.
Yeah.
So he put the executive order out on Monday, and as a result, the stocks have both dropped. Now, both of these tend to be fairly good stocks, so I would wait for bottoms to happen on the charts before I would get into it. However, right now, we saw Broadcom go from 270 on Monday down to 265 today. So definitely keep them on watch as potential long-term investments.
Airplane Jane, another week of Market Logic. Follow us. We're going to be coming at you every week with fresh content the way that you understand it.
And on March 27th, locally here in Montreal, we will be having a meet and greet. So watch LinkedIn for sign-ups.